Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Motorola Moto G06 Power. Okay, we have two methods how we can reset this device. First method is through the settings and the second one is through the recovery mode. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with the methods through the settings. Simply open them up. Now scroll all the way down until you find System, and down below we have the reset options. Simply tap on that. In here we can also reset app preferences, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and reset mobile network settings. But of course we are interested in the factory reset. Now all we need to do is to simply tap on that, and now simply scroll down and click on Erase All Data. After that, your device will be turned off. After a few seconds, it will be automatically turned on, and the next thing that you need to do is to set up your device. This method is recommended. Always, the method through the settings is recommended. When it comes to the second method, through the recovery mode, it's recommended basically when we cannot perform the first method, and in situations, for example, when we have an unresponsive screen, our phone is lagging, and we cannot do anything. So that's when we should perform a reset through the recovery mode. To do it, we need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time until the recovery mode launches. So keep holding both of the buttons. It's going to take a little bit, so simply be patient. Okay. Now we can release. And now let's wait a little. Also, you need to remember about one thing. When you are resetting your device through the recovery mode, during the next setup process, the phone will want you to type the screen lock that you have been using before the reset, or it will want you to log in into the Google account on which you were logged in before the reset, as a confirmation that you are actually a user of this device. Okay, currently we can see the Android logo and it says no comment. Now we need to hold the power button and tap volume up, just like that. Now we are in the Android recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. And now we need to find wipe data / factory reset. Now tap the power button to confirm. Select factory data reset. Tap the power button. We can now see on the bottom that data wipe has been completed. Select reboot system now. Tap the power button. And now we just need to simply wait until the phone turns on. And the next thing that we need to do is to set it up. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.